So the market had a nice trend higher today, a little bit of choppiness in here at the FOMC announcement, and then it just continued higher. We took advantage of the easy money policy by the Federal Reserve, which drives prices higher. They're only reducing their bond buying program by just a little bit, which means they're keeping their Fed funds rate the same, and they are buying $100 billion worth of bonds each month. And so still very easy monetary policy and money printing that goes into the market and drives prices higher, and we took advantage of that. The 50K portfolio was up 3,300 on the day, brand new equity peaks, and the 200K was up 5,300 on the day, taking advantage of that as well. We had some trades getting stopped out. Would have been much higher on this, but some of the trades got stopped out during this whipsawing price action. And so 200K up on the day, nice gains. Some of you are trading both of these, so good gains overall in both of these portfolios. Let's go over the trades on the day. You see the S&P up here at new highs, Nasdaq up here at new highs, and let's take a look at the trades. ES, adaptive moving average continues. Don't remember anytime. I guess we're on 12 out of 15 trading days where it just goes long and stays long all day and does well. And so there's only been 3 days where it's been choppy since October 13th. So plus 1,700 on the day, and adaptive moving average is taking advantage of this melt up. Tick count trend 2 plus 275, tick count trend 2 1 minute plus 237.50, Cobra CT3 plus 1712.50, after hours ES minus 112.50, night trader scores again plus 675, and Asia 4 long plus 487.50, taking the long trade. Tick fader minus 625, VSD long only plus 112.50, gap continue in reverse, one of our big trades on the day plus 1975. In Q, SR counter trend 2, V2 1M and 5M are plus 475, SR counter trend 2 plus 775, and gap continuation 2020 in Q minus 325. The stop loss was a little too tight on the FOMC, and so it would have been a nice gain. The big stop loss version took that trade all the way in, though. You can see that here on the big stop loss version. It uses a $700 stop loss on gap continuation 2019, and nice gains there. Plus 24.65, another highlight of the day. Viper 2008 plus 23.25. EVP1 down on the day minus 1,025. You see it just stopped out on that pullback. And VSD long short minus 650. VSD long only plus 970. VSD, 60-minute breakout in QB plus 2110. This continues just to be one of the top strategies, even though we cut it at the end of October or at the end of September. It did this at the end of September. We stopped trading it right here, and it's just gone straight up since. You can see how long-term, I have a long-term of this chart. It's a nice long-term equity curve, taking this terrible drawdown right into the end of September and then just moving higher. And so consider that one again in the future at the right time. Not going to jump in now after an equity peak run up. But in QB minus 525, stop loss a little too tight. Crude oil, we didn't have any trades today on crude oil, even though crude oil sold off and broke down below 80 and is currently around 80.05. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. No trades on the energies. Gold, we had gold reversal. We started this one 2 trades ago. We lost here, and then we were profitable here. So first profitable trade in gold reversal today after starting it on its third trade. As you go for long, minus 655 today. As you go for, this is the 2020 version. This is as you go for the older version, minus 655 also. Silver, no trades. Copper, minus $25 on this scratch trade right here. Euro currency, dollar weakening plus 225. Soybeans, no trades on the day. Here are the optional, and here are the old strategy setups. We're mainly focused on 60-minute breakout short here. But no trades today, and we've only taken one trade recently in this market melt up. We've talked about Nasdaq 25,000 in another video, and it would take from the end of October to 25,000 be a 57% move to March, and we know that dot-com bubble, the Nasdaq went up 82%. Nasdaq 20,000 would be about a 28% move, I believe. I'll have to look back at my video, but this market just feels like it's gonna, it's a seasonal. The seasonals this time of year are strong. The market likes the monetary policy of the Federal Reserve, and we could just see a melt up here, even though there's a lot of reasons to be bearish. We just ride the trends as they are. We took the long trades today, and let's look at Cobra Crude. This is one we're looking at that we're not trading. This one's in the portfolio calculator, but this is still in research mode. All of these strategies did well today. Cobra Crude 2022 got the short. Cobra Crude, the Nasdaq version, got a short trade, and the Cobra Bond strategy got a short trade. After flipping from short to long and back to short, you can see how much 30-year bonds have sold off, which means rates are up. And so I don't know if the bond market's challenging the Fed or what, but all of these did well today, and we're still watching these, not trading these. And this one's in a drawdown. When this trade closes out, it'll bump 2,000. Here is this one, Nasdaq. It's going to bump up a little bit. Or it already did. It's closed out. So this doesn't show you the current position. It doesn't show you the current trade. So this is the closed trade equity curve. So once that trade closes at a profit, it'll move a little higher. So nice equity curve in bonds there, and that's Cobra Crude. And we're testing it on Nasdaq and bonds and other markets as well. So those are the trades on the day for FOMC trades on Wednesday, November the 3rd. First couple of days of the month were choppy, and nice trading day on Wednesday. Sometimes we think that Fed days are always choppy. They're not always choppy. And so it was a good trading day today on Fed day.